Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am. Good
Very
morning,
good
ma'am.
morning. Yes. Today, which table we have to discuss?
'Ma'am,
29.
29.
29. Okay. 29. Yes, sir. Harivardhan, tell the table, ma.
29 ones are 29, 29 twos are 58, 29 threes are 87, 29 fours are 116, 29 fives are 145, 29 six are 174, 29 sevens are 203, 29 eights are 232, 29 nines are 261, 29 tens are 290.
Very good. Yuvraj,
Yes, ma'am.
tell the
Yes,
table, ma.
ma'am. Uh, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see me?
No,
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, no.
no,
Ma'am, okay. Wait, ma'am.
no, ma.
Ma'am, no.
Yeah, tell, ma. Visible.
Yes. 29 ones are 29, 29 twos are 58, 29 threes are 29 threes are 70, 29 threes are 77, 29 threes are 29 ones are 29, 29 twos are 50, 29 threes are 70, 78, 29
87.
four, ma'am,
29 threes are 87.
87, 29 fours are 29 fours are 100, 100 and 117, 29 fives are
116, ma.
60.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can I tell after ma'am?
Yeah, you just learn and tell, ma. Okay. Gargi,
Yes, ma'am. 29 ones are 29, 29 twos are 54, 29 threes are 87, 29 fours are 116, 29 fives are 145, 29 six are 174, 29 sevens are 203, 29 eights are 232, 29 nines are 261, 29 tens are 290.
good. Mahantesh,
29 under 29, 29 to the 58, 29 3 are 87, 29 4 are 116, 29 5 are 145, 29 6 are 174, 29 8 are 203, 29
mm-hmm.
8 are 232, 29 9 are 273,
29 sevens are?
uh, 203.
Mm.
29 8 are 232, 29 9 are 2 237, 29 10 are
No, no, no.
290.
29 nines are?
Shall I tell from first one?
Only 29 nines are 261. You told 237. So 29 8s are 232, 29 9s are 261. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Shreya, are you ready?
I'll tell in the end of class.
Okay, done. Sindhu and Adarsh. Okay. In the last class, we already started this one, exercise 8.4. So in that, up to fourth man, is it completed? Fourth man, I think so, isn't it? Yeah. Now I have to start
Now
KG.
we have to start 5th May.
Yeah, fifth main, kg, isn't it? So express as kg using decimals. Yeah. Okay, is there any doubt up to fourth main?
No, ma'am.
Is it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so I just give one formula for fifth main. Express as kg using decimals. You know that. So 1 kg is equal to dash gram. K means, you know that? K means
Ma'am,
1000.
1000.
Yeah, very good. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. I just interchange these values. Then 1000 gram is equal to
1 kg.
1000 gram is equal to 1
1
kg.
kg.
Yeah. So I just shift this 1000 into right side. So it become divided by. So it means 1 gram 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So this is in fraction. We can write this one in decimal. So how much? 1 is there. So I just put here zeros. So after how many digits we have to put decimal point?
3.
Yeah,
3 digits.
very good. In the denominator, all should answer here. So in the denominator, 3 zeros here. That's why from right side, after 3 digits, we have to put decimal point. 1,
1.
2, 3. It means I have to put the decimal point here. So what is that formula? 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kg. Otherwise, 1 gram is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kg. So you just write down, this is the formula. Write down.
Am I completed writing?
Good. Is it completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about others? Still 5 students. Yes, Shreya, Harivardhan, Yuvraj, Mahantesh. Is it completed?
Finished, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer for the fifth main A question.
Fifth main A question. Okay. Yes, Shreya. Is it completed? Yuvraj, Harivardhan. Yes. Okay. Then we know that 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. By using this formula, we have to solve fifth main all problems. Okay, fifth main first question is 2 gram. Yes, Gargi, tell the steps.
Ma'am, for 2 grams, we have to 1 gram is equals to 0.001 kg. So we have to do it 2 divided by 1000 kg. Then it is 0.002 kgs.
So first you have to write like this. Very good, right answer. So don't confuse. First you have to write like this. 2 is there, no numerator. You just write as it is. So in front of that you just put yours like zeros. Okay. After 3 digits we have to put decimal point from right side. So 1, 2, 3. Then what is the answer? 0.002 kg is the answer. Very good. Right answer. Right answer and write down. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes. It's over. Is it completed, all of you? Response me
Yes,
first.
ma'am.
Yes, Harivardhan, Gargi, Yuraj, Mahantesh, Shreya.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
complete.
Yes. Sindhu, it's understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So second problem, B problem, 100 gram is there. Yes, Harivardhan, tell the steps.
Yes, ma'am. 100 by 1000
Okay.
so the answer will become 0.1.
Hmm.
1.
Yeah, 0.1 also you can write. Otherwise, you can cancel here. 1010 get cancelled. Another one zero get cancelled. Remaining 1 by 10 is there. Then it means after one digit you have to put decimal point. So 0.1 kg is the answer. Very good. Understood this one? This is the easy method. You just follow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, write down.
Ma'am, I completed writing.
Good. Then others? Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shreya, Sindhu, Mahantesh.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it completed? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
done. Okay, done. So third question, C problem, 3750 gram. Yes, Yuvraj, tell the steps.
Ma'am, 3,750 by 1,000
Okay,
is equal to
okay.
3.750.
Yes, right answer. Otherwise, you can cancel 0, 0. So 375 is there. So here
3,
after, yeah, how many?
3.7.
Yes, of course, right answer. So here two zeros is there, no? So from right side you can put after two digits you have to put decimal point. Yes, good, right answer. 3.75 is the correct answer. Write down.
Ma'am, I completed writing.
Okay. Is there any information about FU2 test? Next test?
And ma'am, next month.
When? How many lessons is there?
Ma'am, they're completing the portions, ma'am.
Overall portion.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, for us maths, they're still doing decimals, ma'am.
Okay, done. When you have exam or test?
Ma'am, I
FA2
don't know.
like formative assessment 2 test.
Don't know, ma'am. Our class teacher did not say about it.
Okay, done. Okay, is it completed? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yuraj,
Yes,
Harivardhan,
ma'am.
Sindhu, Shreya,
Yes, ma'am.
completed. Mahantesh, yes. Okay, next problem. D problem. 5 kg, 8 gram. Yes, Shreya, tell the steps. Shreya,
Yes,
can you talk
ma'am.
with me? Yeah. Yes, tell ma. So we have to convert this one into kg. So this already kg, no? So you just write down as it is. Yes, next step.
Is equal to 5 kg plus 8 gram 8 kg
8 kg divided by 8 divided by
10
no ma. 1 gram is
1000.
equal to 1 by 1000. K indicates 1000, don't forget. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, 8 divided by 1000
1000.
kg. Yes, next step.
After that is equal to 5 kg plus 0.08.
No. So 8 you just put here. So after you can put like this zeros. So after how many digits we have to put the decimal point? Here 3 zeros is there. So look at here. Don't confuse. 1, 2, 3. It means 0.008. You told 0.08. So 0.008 kg. So you just add these two. Then 5 point is still the answer.
5.008
Yeah,
kg.
very good. 5.008 kg is the answer. So they may ask this type of questions for 2 marks. Be careful. Yes, solve the problem. Is it understood
ma'am.
or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Understood.
good. Okay, done. Solve the problem in your notebook.
Ma'am, completed writing.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Yes, ma'am. Is it completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then others, remaining students,
Ma'am,
response me fast.
completed.
Yes, Yuvraj, Harivardhan, Mahantesh, Shreya, Sindhu.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So last problem. Yes, Mahantesh. Tell the step.
Yes, ma'am. 26 kg plus
26 kg. Wait, I just write the question. Yeah, tell.
26 kg plus 50 divided by 1000.
50 divided by 1000 kg.
kg is equal
Yeah.
to
Hmm.
0 550
Huh?
0.50
Yeah, 1010
0.050
get cancelled. 5 is there.
0.5 0.05
0.5 or 0.05. So after two zeros, so it means two zeros is there. After two digits, we have to put the decimal point. Yes, tell.
0.5 kg
0.05.
26.05 kg
Yeah,
26.05
very good. 26.05 kg is
kg.
the answer. So don't confuse in this step. So where we have to put the decimal point, that is the very important. So you must remember 0.5 is different, okay, from the 0.05. You should remember. Okay, is it understood this problem?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, just write down in your notebook fast.
Ma'am, I completed writing.
Good.
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, all of you?
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Okay, done. Shreya and Sindhu.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, completed.
Good, good. Okay. So then next I just start addition of numbers with decimals. So how we are going to add two decimal numbers. So that is the task here. So look at here. 0.35, you know that. So ones, tens place, hundreds place. So you must write the place value table. You in that we can substitute and add. So you know that 0.35 in that 0.35 in that 0 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, isn't it? Next, 0 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, and 2 is in hundreds place. So you just add. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, 0 plus 0 is 0. What is the answer? 0.77. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So first you have to write place value table, then only you know. Okay, so you just write down table along with this one. Write down. So next you can try to solve this problem 0.29 plus 0.36. Start. Is it completed writing? This problem.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, you can start solve this one. 0.29 plus 0.36. Add these two decimals
Ma'am, I
by
got the
using this
answer
one.
for the first
Yeah.
problem of the try these, ma'am.
Yes, good. You must substitute in the place value table, then only it will be easy. Okay. Yes, this problem is completed, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
What about remaining students? Response me fast.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
typing problem, right, ma'am?
Yeah, only one problem you can solve. First problem. After completion of writing this one, you can solve next one problem. So remaining problems you can solve after my class. Take it as homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
So first
in your
problem.
class, they're solving 8.5.
Yeah, now I just start 8.5.
They're gonna
8.4 is
complete
completed.
8.5 and go to 8.6.
Okay, there is no
Ma'am,
issue.
that class they have already
Ma'am, in
started.
our class, they are at 9.2 exercise, ma'am.
Okay, okay. In my class, after completion of each lesson, I'm conducting regularly unit test. So that's why in test time. So while we have test, no, at that moment I was giving, it means revision classes. So at that moment I just late. There is no issue. I just complete my syllabus. So within, that's why I'm asking you people, when you have test, is there any information about test? Okay, so I just complete your syllabus. Don't worry about that one. Clear? So 0.29 plus 0.36 is there. So you must respond me first, then only it will complete fastly. Okay,
Ma'am, can I
ma'am,
0.29.
ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, 0.29 and 0.36. Yes, Telma. 9 plus 6, how much?
Ma'am, 0. Ma'am, 15.
15. 1 carry.
Yes.
Then you just
Ma'am,
add
2
these.
plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6, ma'am.
Yes, good. What is the answer? 0.65 is the
0.65.
answer. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, all of you?
have the same
Yes,
answer, ma'am.
Yes, all of you got this answer. Same answer. Yes?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Then yours homework is, so you must solve all this problem after completion of my class, otherwise evening. Okay, so you just solve that one problem. Then example problem. In my class, I am explaining example problems also. So that's why it's late. Okay. After completion of example problems only, I just move to the exercise problems. Isn't it? You know that. So Lata spent 9.50 rupees for buying a pen and rupees 2.50 for one pencil. How much money did she spend? Total how much money she spent? That one we have to find out. Okay, you know that. So this is a sentence, no statement problems, no. You must solve so step by step. Okay, through statement or sentence. Okay, money spent for pen is 9 rupees 50 paise, otherwise 9.50 paise. Then money spent for pencil is, so rupees 2.50, it means 2 rupees 50 paise. You must remember 1 rupee means, like this you can mention, this one indicates 1 rupee 50 paise. After decimal point, so some value is there, means that one indicates paise. You must remember. Clear? Then total money spent means you must add these two. You know that. So this is the place value table. You just substitute here. 9 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, and 0 is in hundreds place. Then, so 2 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place. So 0, 0, 0, then 5 plus 5 is 10. So 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. 12, 0, 0, it means 12 rupees. 12.00 rupees means total how much amount is there?
12.
Yeah, she spent 12 rupees. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Is there any doubt
Yes,
in this
ma'am.
problem? Is there any
No,
doubt? Okay, done.
No, ma'am.
Yes. I just explain next problem. So don't want to write this one. You know this. This one is present in your textbook. Okay. So Samson traveled 5 kilometer 52 meter by bus. Then 2 kilometer 265 meter by car. And the rest 1 kilometer 30 meter he walked. How much distance did he travel in all? So we have to find out in all means. So we just add these values, isn't it? First we have to convert. So you know that. So they mention in kilometer and meter. First we have to convert that one into kilometer. So you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then you have to convert meter into kilometer means 1 by 1000. 1000 kilometer. Here they mention 5 kilometer and 52 meter. It means this one is already in kilometer. So 52 meter we have to convert
The
this
answer
one
is
into.
5.052
Yes, very good. Very good.
kilometer.
Yes. So 52 divided by 1000 means how much? Yeah, 5 kilometer plus 0.052. Very good. Yes, you just add these two, then you will get the answer 5.052.
5.052 kilometer.
Yeah, kilometer. In the same method, you have to follow and find out, you just convert others. So 265 meter is there. So 2 kilometer 265 means 2.265. Yes, good. Then next one, 1 kilometer and 30 meter means 1.030.
1.030.
Very good. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt now? How to convert? You know that how to convert kilometer into meter, meter into kilometer. Yes, is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So in the same method, you have to convert all these. Okay. So then you can add like this. So you just write in a place value chart. Otherwise, you can add directly like this. So look at here carefully. So 5.052. Then, so in the ones place 2 is there. Then in the tens place 2, hundreds place 6, thousands place 5. So third one 1.030. Okay, you just add these. Okay, so 2 plus 5 how much?
7.
7 plus 0?
7.
Yes, 7 itself. Then 6 plus 3?
9.
9 plus 5?
14.
14.
14.
Yeah, 1 carry. 1 plus 0?
0.
1.
1.
Hey, don't confuse. 1 plus 0 means 1. You are adding now. It means while you are multiplying, 0 into 1 means 0 itself. Don't confuse. Okay. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 2
The
is
answer is 3.
3.
3. 3 plus 0 is
3.
3.
3 itself. Very good. Then 5 plus 2,
7.
7 plus 1, yeah,
8.
8. The answer is 8.347 kilometer. Okay, total distance traveled is this much. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you must solve all these problems, okay, in homework book. So these example problems you must solve again in homework book. Clear? So this one, 14th problem, you just observe. Rahul bought 4 kg 90 gram of apples and 2 kg 60 gram of grapes and 5 kg 300 gram of mangoes. Find the total weight of all the fruits he bought. So it means first we have to convert this 1 gram into kg. You know that, so 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kg. Otherwise 1 divided by 1000 kg. So here 4 kg is there. So 4 kg 90 gram is there. You can convert this one into kg means 090. Understood? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Respond me. Yes. Next, grapes. So 2 kg 60 gram means 60 gram 060 kg. Understood?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one, 5 kg 300 gram. It means 300 kg. So total you have to find out, no? So you just add 0 plus 0 plus 0 means 0. 9 plus 6.
15.
Yes, 1 carry. So 3 plus 1,
4.
4. Good. So 4 plus 2,
6.
6 plus 5,
11.
11. So 11.450 kg. This is the answer. Is there any doubt? So this type of question they may ask 3 to 4 marks.
No doubt, ma'am.
Very good. So in the next class, I just start exercise 8.5. Okay. You must respond me first, then only the syllabus will move fast. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow I just ask 30 table, all should be ready with that one.
Ma'am,
So
I
remember,
have to tell.
yeah. So you must remaining 2 exercise only. So 8th lesson will
Ma'am,
complete.
I have to tell 29 table.
Yes, Telma.
Ma'am, can you see me? 29 ones are 29, 29 twos are 58, 29 threes are 87, 29 fours are 116, 28 fives are
29
100,
5.
29 fives are 145, 29 sixes are 174, 29 eights are 200.
Savenza.
29 sevens are 203, 29 eights are 230, 32, 29 nines are 261, 29 tens are 290.
Very good. You just use your fingers to
Ma'am,
count
can I
the
tell
numbers.
you the 29 table and the
Yes,
next class
tell.
because I'm not able to learn it?
Once again, pardon. Yes, pardon, ma.
Ma'am, can I tell the 29 table in the next class because I'm not able to learn it?
Okay, done. Don't forget. Okay, tomorrow itself you have to complete that work.
Okay, ma'am.
29 table. Yes, 30 table. Tomorrow's table is 30. And one information, it means you just inform to your friends if they are interested, means they can join this class. Okay? Then some students already paid this month fees. Okay, some has to pay. Please inform to your parents. Okay, take care. Bye. Tomorrow morning, exact 6 o'clock, I just take the class. Okay, take care. Bye. Work hard. So, and you must solve all problems. Okay, don't forget. And you just write a table one time in homework book and take a screenshot or photo and send to me. Okay, you must write every day one table at least 2 time or 3 time. Okay, so then only you will learn, isn't it? Okay, don't forget to write and take the pic and send to me. And also homework also, every day's homework. Today's homework is try these problems and example problems. Again, you have to solve. Clear? Evening time you have time, so you can solve those problems and send to me. Take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Bye,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.